For this quick video, I'm just going to show you how to locate the portal to change your major. One thing I will say about changing your major is that you should always seek advisement first before you change your major. That is not a decision you should make in isolation or just like talking to a friend. No, you need to talk to an advisor that's specific, one of the teachers that teaches in that area or your specific advisor before you make that decision. So once you've gotten advised and they said, hey, it's not going to hurt you in any way, you can go ahead and safely change your major. I want you to go to current students and you're going to click on student resources and you scroll down and you're going to see, there it is, change your major. And all you have to do after that is click on change your major. It's going to take you to a sign-in screen. You sign in like you normally would to like into My Lawson, and it will take you to a form, and you're going to go ahead and complete that form to request that you change your major. Again, word of caution, always seek what? Yes, advisement.